This is multi-point locking. First is with S-Pack. This is handle. This is the S-Pack, as you can see here. This is S-Pack with mushroom type of locking. Locking point 1, locking point 2, and locking point 3. This operates with the handle. Now these are its counterfeits. Now I lock it. This is locked. Now in other window, the multi-point locking is with the nib and nib holder. This is the nib holder, and this is its nib with the adjustment. This is the polyamide rod. This is the handle connectors. It operates like this. This is locking point 1. This is locking point 2. This is locking point 3, and this is locking point 4, and these are its insert type of counter plates. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the bottom there are the rollers which are functioning smooth. This is now locked, and this is unlocked, and this is its motion. Thank you.